Hey guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you what WP News Ranker is all about and why I think it's worth your time. So basically what it does is it goes through and ranks you based on when you go in first, you install WP Ranker on your WordPress site, and it'll go through all the major newscasters like CNN and just Bloomberg and rank your keywords for the keywords that will make you show up #1 in Google. It's really cool. In fact, this will basically multiply your first page ranking potential, and it's going to get all the trending searches in your niche automatically. You don't have to do anything besides just let it go. And what I'm going to do is show you, well, it's going to take a long time if I show you everything about it. So what I'm going to do is just put a link right here to the demo. So when you come through, just all you have to do is click the link and the first link in this description, and when you do, you'll be brought through to this page. It's for you if you decide to pick it up through my link. These guys are amazing as far as their pricing, and I want to go ahead and give you the value, all the value you can get. And on this page, basically I just tell you a little bit about it. Basically it automatically posts 100% unique news stories sourced from top trending sources, like I told you earlier, and it ranks your page #1 quickly. You don't have to wait. Typically in SEO, we have to wait months on end for our page to go up higher in Google's algorithm and their search results. This will actually make you get your results ranked higher quickly. Actually, within a couple of weeks, you'll be where you would be in months typically, following the normal methods. And this is what makes it so great. What you also get is automated email or image replacement, 100% Google safe, basically, so you're not gonna worry about any flags. It's 100% legal on Google, so don't have to worry about that. You get so much for this software, so much, and I recommend you look at this demo because it just has nothing but good things to say about it. And of course, it's going to save you time and money, get you traffic, get you daily unique content, and this is just one-time fee, and all you have to do is just go through and get this program. They make it simple for you. Now, like I said, everyone loves it. I'm going to show you a little bit on their sales page, some of these reviews that people have left, and they have tons of reviews. Look at their Facebook. I'll just even stop right there. Gary Hammett, WP News Ranker, is in a league of its own. Nothing comes anywhere even remotely close. Simply put, it would do the job all day long. You just need to be really careful though, um, that you could cope with all the extra business coming from it. People are just loving this. Just loving this. Go through here and read all these reviews. It's just like Mary's. Oh yes, this is interesting development. It could save quite a bit of time for searching and posting new content. WP News Ranker is news of the year I've been looking for, and it's just amazing. Look at all these successful people and what they've done. This site is just full of their testimonials. Of course, Robert says, "Look like a winner." Looks like a winner. You have so many. Blake is even recommending, "Dear President Trump, please consider giving Dan Green the Presidential Medal of Freedom Award for the best digital innovation for consistently knocking it out of the park." That is all. Oh, these guys are amazing. But yes, they deserve it because if you can get on Google, you can get the traffic and then you can get the sales. Honestly, it's just saves so much time. Saves so much time. And if you go ahead and read through here, you'll get so much value. And they even give you step by step in what they've done. They took a nothing site and made it rank quickly as well. And I'm looking at that timer. If you go ahead and go through the link, my link, you're going to get a special on the price. And they're going to up the price after about 40 minutes, honestly. As I know it's short timing, but they're going to up the price a little bit. And it's not going to be too much, I hope. But I'm going to bring this video to you as soon as possible. That way you can get in and get a good deal through my link, if that's what you decide to do. If you do, it's well worth your time. Now here's the demo, and this, like it's a long demo, but they'll go through the actually walking you. They'll go through the actual process they use to rank and show you some results. It's pretty good. I'd recommend setting aside about 9 minutes, 10 minutes of your time to watch. If you do, you'll be blown away too. There's some more testimonials. Basically saying Dan's certainly got a gift of development. He's the person who developed it. And WP News Ranker looks to be no exception to that rule. But what's more important than launching a great product is having the integrity to use your own tools on your own business and the fortitude to stick around and support it. That's why it's a rarity in the current market. Good on you, Dan. You're one of the very, very few product developers who have stood the test of time. They're just praising him for what he's done. He actually had one of them nominated him for president or for an award, a presidential award for it. It's great. I mean, what can I say? What can I say? And it gives you step one, of course. Install the plugin, activate the plugin, and choose your content source through thousands of news articles. Basically, simply post and get 100% unique posts created for you. That's what the software does. It goes through and creates something highly relevant to get your site actually promoted. Your page, I should say. And when you go through my link, let me just show you exactly the bonuses that you're going to get. Not only are you going to get my bonuses, and my bonuses include number one, since we're marketers, what I'm going to show you is RussellBrunson's.com Secrets. This book is amazing because it's a free book. It's amazing because he goes through, he geeked out on any and all marketing techniques, so he has this book chock full of things that actually work. These marketing techniques actually work, and they're tried and true. It goes from email marketing to product launches to explaining upsells and how you can explain it to clients. You can definitely take your business to a whole new level. Free plus shipping offer right here. All you have to do is pay like $8 for shipping. It's totally worth the read if you decide to. So I included a link here for his free book. And bonus number two, I'll show you a killer Facebook targeting hack. I paid $1,200 for this course, actually $1,500. So I had decided to go ahead and bring the most important thing, how you can actually get in front of the right people at a small cost. So I decided to put the killer Facebook ad targeting hack here for your enjoyment. And these are all going to be free. These are all included if you decide to buy through my link. Bonus number three, Paul McKenna. It's more of a mind hack. This will teach you how to think about yourself and how you should think about money. And that way you can go ahead and seize any opportunity that is presented to you. Very much recommend this. Just listen to them twice a day. In 30 days, you're going to see a huge improvement in your business and life, honestly, as well. And this is just like it. This will help you feel good about yourself, and he'll tell you how you should think as an entrepreneur. So once again, if you don't feel good about yourself, you're not going to get any good deals. You're not going to be able to make any good deals because you're going to either, if you do make a deal, you're not going to enjoy yourself because you may have the wrong mindset. And mindset is number one. First, you chase wisdom, and then riches overtake you. But if you keep just chasing riches, honestly, they're going to run from you, and you're not going to get the sources or the money or the payoff that you actually want to get. But if you have a great mindset and you actually um, do the things which you're supposed to do every day repetitively, then you will get the results you desire. And go ahead and buy through my link, and you're going to get these uh, bonuses emailed to you, and they're going to be on your receipt as well. And I'm also going to throw in these vendor bonuses, which I have been authorized to give to you. And these vendor bonuses are basically, this is going to tell you how to use Google Ads. It's a $39 value, and this is the fast action bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is going to show you how to basically have social authority. It's going to leverage the authority to get traffic to your front top social networks that you use, basically. Social Search Engine Optimization Revolution, SEO Revolution 2019. That's a $50 value. And you'll learn exactly how to set up your own site and how it actually works this year through all the updates. But bonus number 2 is also a $40 value. So combined, you're going to get, what is it, 40, 80, and about over $120 in value. So it's well worth it. My shorthand math might be lacking, but let's see. Totally worth the value. I'll just calculate that and make sure I got that right. Yeah, no, it's close. 127. Anyway, let's see here. But all this comes with a 100% money back guarantee. So you have nothing to lose. You get 30 days to try it out. If you don't like it, just email them. They'll send every penny back. Going through my link today, you can get the single license. This license is good if you're just going to use it for yourself, or maybe just one or two times, or just one time, I should say. You can't really use it for multiple sites. But if you do want to use it for multiple sites, I'd recommend getting the Ultimate Site license. And this is an $87 value, but through my link, you're going to get it for $19. So they're going to give you a huge discount. And you're going to get all those bonuses included, not only mine, but also the vendor bonuses. Totally worth it. So anyway, I just wanted to go ahead and bring this review to you. So come on through, take a look, and this won't last forever at this price. I recommend getting the unlimited version so you can install on any website. And this is only going to be $19 for the next 36 minutes, and they may go a little longer than that, but they may not, so I want to go ahead and just bring this to you as quickly as possible. Okay, y'all. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you on the next video.